Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Webpack on our system. To install a Webpack, first we need to know we have Node.js installed on our machine. We can check by typing in node-v, and over here you can see the Node version on our system. And now we can create our working directory by using make directory command and webpack underscore demo. And now I can move into this working directory by typing cd to change directory command webpack underscore demo. And once we are inside our webpack demo folder, we can type this command to initiate a basic JSON file npm init with -y option. This command will create a file called package.json that will save references to our install modules. That -y option is for to answer yes to all prompted questions. So this one and the over here package.json file is created for us. We can open this file in our editor. It's just gedit editor on my system. And pass in package.json file. And here it is, our file. This package.json file will serve for npm to identify our project, including name, version, author, main entry files. Now we can install Webpack using our command line. I will close this editor and go back to our terminal. And clear the terminal first. And now we can use the command npm install Webpack npm install Webpack and webpack.cli and dash dash save dash dev. The dash dash save dev option is to tell npm that we need this just for our development purposes. That means that these packages will be installed on our local machine only. This command will install Webpack for us with its own CLI command line interface. And we just need to hit enter now. Now we have Webpack and Webpack CLI installed on our system. We can again open our package.json file. And we can see over here under dev dependency, Webpack and Webpack CLI is added with each one's version. Now I will close this editor and go back to our console or our terminal and clear the terminal. And inside over here, we can open the node underscore module folder or list the content of this folder by using ls dash l and node underscore modules and / bin directory. Hit enter, and here are the files under this folder. And we can see over here the Webpack. The file Webpack is where the Webpack commands come from. So every time we need to compile our JavaScript, we will call this file for our terminal. Now I will just clear the terminal again and create a directory under our webpack underscore demo folder, the source directory, mkdir src. And inside our source directory, I'm going to create an index.js file. Cd src, and over here I will use gedit and index.js. In this index.js, we are just going to write our simple JavaScript alert and pass in hello webpack demo. And just save it. And just close the editor and go back to our terminal. Clear the screen. And use cd space dot dot to go to our root folder for our project, that is webpack underscore demo. And here we can execute command node underscore modules / dot bin and webpack, and just hit enter. With this command, we are telling Webpack to bundle our JS. And Webpack will go and search for source folder and inside index.js and start from there. Here is the output. You can see over here the mode option has not been set. This means that we haven't told Webpack what mode we are working on, such as development or production yet. So it's set automatically to production. You can also get rid of this warning by setting or adding a flag for production. So it's gonna be mode will be production. Let's try that. Let's clear the screen, and with this command we are just going to add a flag mode which is set to production. We can see now that a warning message is gone. And let me list the content of this directory again. And now we have this folder created for us. And inside this folder, there should be a main.js file. Let me list the content of this directory. ls-l dist, and we can see over here main.js file. Webpack created a main.js file under the dist folder for us and compress our code as well. Let's open that and check it out. Let's do gedit editor and pass in dist folder dot main.js And over here you can see that is some more code, and at the end over here this is the code we added in our index.js file. Now we are going to create a HTML file and make a link to our main.js file, which is under this folder. We can create this index.html file at the root of our webpack underscore demo folder. So I'm just gonna close this one, or yeah, just gonna close this one. Clear the terminal again, and in this folder I'm going to create index.html file. So again, our gedit editor or editor of your choice, index.html. Here I'm just going to add a HTML tag first, then a head tag, just a title if you want some title. Hello. And then our body tag, and inside body tag we need to link to our main file. So it's gonna be script uh, type, that will be tags JavaScript, and our source is set to our dist folder and main.js, and end of our script tag, end of our body HTML tag. That's just simple. And just save it and go back to our terminal. And we can open that file in a browser of your choice. I'll just open in a Google Chrome, and we can see that alert message. So this one is working. So this is very basic example of our first working JavaScript file bundled by Webpack. Now I'm going to open our package.json file and make some changes and make it more better and simple. Let's see, go back to our package.json file. Just need to close our browser and just clear the terminal and open our package.json file. And we need to look under the script, and over here this line we need to remove this line and replace with the new one. Let's see how to do that. Here, I'm just gonna remove this whole line, or just change it. Just remove the test and add in build, and over here just remove this one and use Webpack dash mode set to production. Just save our file and go back to our terminal. Now we don't need to specify the exact path to Webpack like we did before, node underscore module forward slash dot bin forward slash webpack. Maybe if I have in my command history, this one. We don't need to type this whole thing now. I'm just gonna clear this line. And we can use npm and run and give the script name. It's just build. It's gonna be npm run build. And you can see we got the same kind of output the way we did before. So this one is more easy. And you can name your script whatever you want. Instead of build, you can use the run, or just after the run you can use a dev instead of build. So these are way to install a Webpack on our machine. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Same Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.